Children, here in this video I am explaining you about the velocity. You all are familiar with this topic. So the rate of displacement is called the velocity. Rate of displacement means displacement upon time. So the formula of velocity is equal to displacement upon time interval. Generally the symbol we are using for this, V is equal to delta S upon delta T. Delta S is the symbol for displacement. Displacement is the final position minus initial position. Okay, so we can write it final position S2, initial position S1, T2 time and T1 time. So this is time interval and this is a displacement. Now what is the SI unit? S2 minus S1 is measured in meter and time is measured in second. So the unit is meter per second. Other unit you can take kilometer per hour. This is a bigger unit. Velocity is a vector quantity because it has magnitude as well as direction. If you say that body is moving with the 50 km per hour, okay, along east direction. So when you have specified the direction in the velocity, that is called the specified the direction in the speed, then it is called the velocity, because 50 km per hour is the speed. But if you are specifying the direction east or north, so this is converted into the velocity. So we can say the numerical value of the velocity is always called the speed. Okay, now these are the types of the velocity. Uniform velocity. Uniform velocity takes place when body covers equal displacement in equal interval of time, however the small time interval may be. So I have taken one example for this. Now displacement is in meter and time is in second. I have considered 0, 20, 40, 60, 80 and time 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So first of all, in this time interval, when you are going to take the displacement, this is S2 and this is S1. So S2 minus S1 upon T2 minus T1. So S2 is 20, S1 is 0, T2 is 2 and T1 is 0. So you are getting 20 by 2, 10 meter per second. Similarly, now in this time interval, find out the displacement. This is S2 and this is S1. So again 40 minus 20 upon 4 minus 2, 20 upon 2, 10 meter per second. Similarly, in the next time interval, 60 minus 40 divided by 4 minus 6 is equal to 20 by 2, 10 meter per second. So what you have observed? You have observed here in this time interval 10 meter per second, here in this time interval 10 meter per second, and here in this time interval 10 meter. So in each case the value of the velocity is constant and direction is also same. So this is the case of the uniform or constant velocity.